Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going on to another episode of the Gearwrench tool catalog. If you guys haven't seen the previous two videos, I did a video on the recently released or soon to be released tools, and then I did one on the ratchets and socket sets as well, kind of giving prices and some information and kind of letting you guys see through the catalog. This catalog will be linked down in the description with the Gearwrench website where you can find the catalog. If you guys have any other tool sites or anything, any other catalogs you would like me to do reviews on, please let me know. Drop it down in the comments. And I'm trying to do my best to keep these videos short yet informative, so please let me know how that is going as far as how I've done so far. This video should be a little bit shorter than the others. The section's not quite as big, so I've been trying to categorize these into different groups, keeping the videos shorter instead of doing the entire catalog. So today we're moving into wrenches and some of their impact grade tools as well. So the ratcheting wrench set over here on the left, you're going to have a 16-piece metric and a 13-piece SAE, part numbers 9416 and 9312. These sets are going to range around $95 and $100, depending on where you find them. I did a little bit of research, checking eBay, Amazon, tool websites, and kind of comparing, finding the best slash average price of the tools. And that is just the standard ratcheting wrenches. This center section right here is going to be the reversible ratcheting wrench set, so it does have a reverse lever. The first set being straight wrenches, this one's going to have a little bit of an offset, that angle there on the ratcheting portion of the wrench. So the 16 and 13 piece set, 9602 November and 9509 November, 16 and 13 piece set, ranging around 175 for the metric and 155 for the SAE. Then the flex head, which is this portion over here, allowing the box end of the wrench to rotate 180 degrees roughly back and forth. The metric set, once again, these sets are going to be a 12-piece and an 8-piece set, 9901 Delta and 9701. That's going to range around $165 and around $129. And that's for the metric set. I didn't find the 8-piece SAE set, but then they also have locking flex heads, which are down here, part number 85698. That is going to range $165 for the metric and $115 for the SAE. And then you see the stubby flex heads, the standard ratcheting flex heads, stubby. And then you have the larger 21, 22, 23, and 24 millimeter wrenches, and then a 12-piece ratcheting wrench set here, 8 to 19. And then I also have a large set, which isn't in here. This is going to be a metric set that I have. It's combination wrench set, not ratcheting. So just your standard combination wrench set. Part number 81916. It's a 22-piece set, and it ranges from 6 millimeter to 32 millimeter. So you have a wide range of wrenches there. Very large set. And it's only $120. That's what you can find it for right now. I purchased mine for, I want to say, around $80. So it all depends on when you're looking for it and everything. They also have a larger set, part number 81919. It's a 44-piece set, and that's going to be metric and SAE. But that's only going to be $190. So that's a pretty good price for both metric and SAE in combination wrenches. Moving right along, you have their ratcheting flare nut wrenches and with the flex feature. I don't have the prices on those, haven't used them. But moving down below, you have the 120 XP spline extra long ratcheting wrenches. I do have this set in metric. It is from 10 to 19, part number 86126. Great set. I love it. It's got a box end that's not ratcheting with a little bit of an offset to get in recessed places, and then the box end that is ratcheting is a flex head. It's not reversible, but it is a flex head. It's got the 120 XP dual pulse 62, so you get 120 positions, 3-degree arc swing. Really nice wrench set. And that 12-piece, or the 10-piece, I'm sorry, is going to be $170 roughly. I actually won mine on an Instagram Gearwrench page, so that was awesome. And then they also have their standard wrenches, not the extra long. You got the open end on one end and the box end ratcheting on the other. You got flex head, standard, reversible, all of that. Many different options. The non-flex, they also have a version of these extra longs that aren't 120 XP, and I believe they're just 72 tooth, and they're not flex heads. That's also a good set. It's the standard 12 point, I believe, not spline drive, and the 12-piece metric set is going to be $130, and then they also have a 17-piece set for $245. So it's getting up there, but still decent prices. And then the regular wrenches are going to range in the 120 XP version is going to range from $110 to $200 depending on metric, SAE, features, all of that. So moving along to top left, over here is going to be those other sets without the flex head or the 120 XP. So just so you guys know. Moving along into the impact sockets up here in the top left, I've mentioned these before. These are the pinless universal impact socket sets. Really good variety here, both SAE and metric, and they're going to range anywhere from $100 to $200 depending. You can see there's different size sets there. Then they have the standard universal impact socket sets. These aren't the pinless ones. Still good sets and well priced as well, anywhere from $70 to $100 for a majority of them. But once again, that also depends on the size of set, whether you're getting this large set, deep well universals, or if you're just going to get a smaller set like this. And then over here you have the top right is the 1/4-inch drive 6-point impact socket sets. And the sets are going to range from $60 to $225. It depends on if you're going to get a small set or if you're going to get like the 71-piece set here, which is SAE and metric and includes shallow and deep and some universal sockets as well. And then 3/8 drive 6-point. These sets are going to range from $80 to $130. The reason they're not quite as expensive as the 1/4-inch is because the sets don't go up to, like a 70-something piece set. The largest one they have here is 44 pieces, and that's going to include some extensions, a universal adapter, and shallow and deep metric and SAE. So $80 to $130 for the 3/8 drive sets, depending on which one you get. And then over here, top left, you have 1/2-inch drive sets. Very good variety, anywhere from a 12-piece set up to a 39-piece set, and that's going to range from $40 to $130. Now, if you see this set right here, which is a 12-piece 1/2-inch drive metric impact socket set, this is the set I bought, and I do not recommend that set. Now, granted, it is only roughly $40, but it's from 8 to 19. That's a size that you would typically see in 3/8. And when you get 1/2-inch drive, you're looking for something, that might start around 10 millimeter and go up into the mid 20s and sometimes low 30s. So this is not a very good 1/2-inch drive. Not that the quality is bad, it's just the sockets that are included. They're all shallow, no deep wells, and it's a very small set for 1/2-inch drive. So I do not recommend that. That is part number 84930 November. So just keep that in mind. And then over here on the right is something I've also mentioned. This is the pinless impact extensions, and you can get it with just the drive size on the end, whether that be 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2-inch. Actually, I think they only have 3/8. I'm sorry. And that's in different lengths. You can buy 6, 9, 12-inch, and then here it actually comes with the socket instead of the universal drive adapter. And that's going to be 8 millimeter, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then you can buy the set as well. And if you buy each one of these individually, they're going to run around $20. You buy the set, it's going to be upwards of $140. So it just depends on how often you would use these and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. And then down here, they have impact extensions, whether that be the standard extensions or locking extensions. And then over here you have your 3/4-inch drive. This is new, their impact lineup this year, and I do not have the prices on them. I'm sorry, but here you can see the part numbers highlighted in gray. Hopefully that's readable depending on whether you're watching this on your phone or on your computer. So please, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Please stay tuned for the next video where we will be going into all of their screwdrivers, hammers, and pliers. But I hope I was able to give a fair amount of information in a decent time, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your thoughts, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.